What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So we had the final review video on the revell 1967 Plymouth GTX, and right off the bat, this is actually a very cool kit, and it actually went together super well. Had no issues with it whatsoever. If you remember me telling you on our very first update video, I believe this kit is just like the Dodge Dart kit, the 67, I believe, Dodge Dart. What revell has is the Foos version, and it's basically the same kit. The chassis, the engine, I think, the interior is a little bit different. The body is basically almost the same, but body panels are different, obviously. But nonetheless, it's a very cool car, and I think it actually turned out pretty good. So let's go ahead and give you a breakdown, show you what I did to it, and then stay tuned to the end of the video. Photo with pictures, as I always say. So, and then I'll have a slideshow of it on my channel also, so stay tuned for that too. Also, check that out. So, alright, so let's get to the body. The body, it looks fantastic. It's not a dark color. That's a first. It's not a dark color. Surprising. It's a bright orange. It's actually fresh paints. I'm just gonna call it hugger, like you're hugging someone. Hugger orange. I know that's not how you say it, but that's what I'm gonna say it. Hugger orange. It's a very bright orange. It's almost like a Dukes of Hazzard orange, very poppy. So, and I think it looks fantastic. Orange looks. I love orange on these older muscle cars. I think they always look fantastic. Orange, like yellow, red. I mean, but the Plymouth, I love Plymouth in orange. I don't know why. So they did orange. I did not go with any stripes. I know the kit comes with like little stripes goes on the hood, on each side. I didn't want to do that because I don't really care for them. I don't know. But I took those out. I left them out. I didn't take them out. I just didn't use them. So, but I think it looks fantastic. The bare metal foil went on pretty good. I'm not a big fan of bare metal foil, but it's a lot of patience, a lot of time consuming. So, but it went on, and I think it turned out pretty good. All of the chrome has been stripped. Every single chrome, the back bumper, the gas filler cap, the wheels, the mirrors, well, the mirror, mirrors, the rear mirror and everything, bumpers, the grill, everything, everything in the car. This is in the console, chrome, the windshield wipers, all chrome. Stripped them because I don't like the kit chrome, as I always say, and we painted chrome with the Alcrad chrome. I don't know, Alcrad chrome just looks better for me. It looks more realistic. The kit chrome is just a bit too shiny, and it just looks too toyish. So, yeah, we chromed everything. Looks good. The wheels and tires are different. They're not from the kit. I didn't want. The kit comes with Redline tires, which I don't think Redline tires will look too good under an orange car. So I deleted the Redlines. I found these Goodyear Pilotgrass GT tires in my tire bin from an older AMT kit I built back then. And then the wheels, I have my stash. I think those are wheels from the Oldsmobile you guys commented. So, I had no idea where they're from. I think they're from the Oldsmobile I just built recently. So, I think they look fantastic. We chromed them, obviously. And I think they look really good. Yeah. So, I love the Goodyears. They look really good. The Goodyear tires look fantastic under the orange body. So, we do prefer those over the Redlines. So that's pretty much about the outside. Oh, like the whole outside of the car, fantastic. The windows, they went in, they snapped right in. Well, they didn't snap in, but they go in where they're supposed to go. Put glue on. They look really good. So, but other than that, the whole outside, fantastic. I really love how it looks. 2K cleared it. I mean, sanded it, polished it, get more puffier shine, and I don't know, it looks really good. So, let's move on to the interior. The interior is it's very simplified. These older cars' interiors are super simplified. I did a semi-gloss black on the seats and dashboard and stuff to act like leather seats. And then I did flocking on the carpet, on the floor, gray flocking. So it looks really good. And the steering wheel has a good silver trim on it. The center console was stripped and repainted chrome. So there's a rear mirror. So, and the little GTX emblem goes on the back seats. All that's been stripped and repainted chrome, and it looks very good. So it's like I said, it's a very simplified interior. You can do two-tone, but these older muscle cars, they don't really have that many colors in interiors, not really much two-tone to them anyway. So black, I think it looks really good with the orange body, so I went with black. So that's really about it. Oh yeah, I did add a magazine. I did add a little touch of a magazine on the back seat. Just get a little touch that the guy's reading something while he's, I don't know, eating lunch or whatever he's doing. So I thought that was pretty cool. I think that's a little cool touch I did. So I really like that. All right, let's move on to the chassis. The chassis is very simplified also. Semi-gloss black. I did some dry brushing on it. Just act like I had some road use, like rocks and stuff scraped on it, and just scraping the black away and stuff. The exhaust is aluminum from Alclad. The axles and dry shaft and stuff has a little bit more glossy black. I guess you can call it gloss black. So that bottom looks fantastic. The engine, I'll wait for the car to come around and we'll pop the hood open. Engine is a beautiful Hemi. I love Hemi engines. This is actually my second Hemi engine I ever built, and they're super easy to work with. They're really easy to wire because the distributor wires go on top of valve covers, and it's just super easy to work with. So the engine is painted in Hemi orange, and it kind of blends in with the orange body. I should have painted the whole engine bay black, but whatever. But I did some aftermarket rear hose from Detail Master and all that stuff. So the air filter shipped, repainted chrome as always, and yeah, the whole engine bay looks fantastic. It comes with the heating hose, which I thought was pretty cool. I was gonna do my own heat hose like I always do. I always do like a thick red wire, but unfortunately I kind of forgot to drill the holes on the engine and on the firewall, so I just used the kit. It looks pretty good. So the only issue I had in the engine bay was the battery. The kit battery, which is right here, is actually a bit too big to go between the suspension on the side of the car and the radiator. So the battery that comes in the kit is a little bit too long, so it doesn't really fit, and you're gonna have to do some trimming on the side panel or the radiator, which I did not want to do because I don't think it would right. So I actually casted some batteries back then, like last year, and this is a resin battery I casted a while back. So paint it black, and it's a little bit smaller. It's just like this battery, but it's a little bit smaller, so it actually fits in there perfect. So I'm glad I casted some of those batteries, because the kit battery, just keep in mind, it doesn't really fit too good unless you want to do some trimming on the side of the fenders and stuff, which is kind of pain, but whatever. I got that straightened out. I'm glad I casted those batteries. They look fantastic. But other than that, that's pretty much the only issue I had of the kit, which is battery. Other than that, the whole kit went together so good. I mean, I don't know. It's just like the Dodge Dart I built back then, last year. It's just like that. It's almost like building the same kit. Just the bumpers and stuff. The side panels are a bit different on the body. But the engine, I believe the engine is the same. I'm not sure. It might be some minor differences, but it's pretty similar. Very similar. The interior is almost the same. In fact, the seats are about almost the same. The center console I know is the same, but the back seats are different because the GTX doesn't have or the Plymouth, or the Dodge Dart, there we go, that doesn't have the GTX things on the back seat. So I know the interior is a little different, and obviously the bumpers and stuff is a lot different on this car. But other than that, that's gonna wrap up this build. Let me know what you think in the comments. I would love to get your opinion. I love reading all your guys' comments and what you guys have to say. But my last video, one of you guys said orange car. That's surprising from you. I thought it was pretty funny, and it's true. It's true. It's definitely a happy color. Surprising. But other than that, that's what about this build. We're going to start on a big rig build, and I got another build I gotta do with the big rig, so you see that very shortly. But like again, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a comment down below because I want to know what you guys think about this. And I think it turned out pretty good. I really love it. The build was awesome. No fit issues whatsoever. I mean, the whole thing went together super well. So, but other than that, let me know what you think. go ahead and subscribe if you're new, because you don't want to miss my next build. It's a big rig, and I got a very cool build coming up with the big rig, so you don't want to miss that. That's actually a very cool build. But other than that, until my next video, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye for now.